My dear friends, today, I want to talk to you about a great man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a brave leader, a wise thinker, and a true patriot. He worked hard for India's freedom and helped unite our country after independence. We call him the Iron Man of India because of his strong will and powerful leadership. Sardar Patel was born on October 31, 1875, in a small village in Gujarat. His family was not rich, but he had big dreams. He believed in hard work and honesty. From a young age, he wanted to serve the nation. He studied law and became a successful lawyer. But when he saw the pain of the people under British rule, he decided to fight for India's freedom. A leader for the people, Sardar Patel was not just a leader in name. He was a leader in action. He helped the poor farmers, stood up against injustice, and always spoke the truth. He joined Mahatma Gandhi in the freedom struggle and followed the path of non-violence and truth. He became very popular after the Kheda Satyagraha and Bardoli Satyagraha movements. In Bardoli, the farmers were suffering because of high taxes. Patel led a peaceful protest and forced the British to take back the taxes. Because of this victory, the people lovingly called him Sardar, which means leader or chief. Role in India's freedom. Sardar Patel played a big role in the Indian freedom movement. He went to jail many times. But he never gave up. He believed that freedom was the birthright of every Indian. Along with Gandhi, Nehru, and other leaders, he fought until India became free on August 15, 1947. But freedom was only the first step. After independence, India was divided. There were more than 560 princely states, small kingdoms ruled by kings and queens. These states could choose to join India or Pakistan or stay independent. This was a big danger for the unity of the country. The Iron Man who united India, Sardar Patel, took on this huge responsibility. As the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India, he used his wisdom, courage, and strength to bring all these states together. He talked to the rulers, convinced them, and sometimes took tough steps to make sure India stayed united. Thanks to his efforts, India became one strong nation. Without Sardar Patel, we may not have had the India we know today. He truly built the foundation of our united country. His values and vision. Sardar Patel believed in unity, discipline, and honesty. He said that the strength of a nation lies in its people. If we are united, no enemy can defeat us. If we are divided, we become weak. He wanted India to be modern and powerful. He encouraged education, hard work, and national pride. He believed that young people are the future of the country, and they must stay strong in character and action. He once said, "Take to the path of duty, and the rest will follow." This means we must do our duty with full honesty, and success will surely come. A legacy that inspires. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel passed away on December 15, 1950, but his work and ideals still live in our hearts. In his honor, the Government of India built the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world. It stands as a symbol of his strength and his role in keeping India together. Today, we remember him not only as a freedom fighter but also as a nation builder. He teaches us to stay united, to stay brave, and to always put the country first. What can we learn from Sardar Patel? Unity is strength. No matter our religion, language, or background, we are all Indians first. We must stand together and respect each other. Be brave and honest, never be afraid to speak the truth or to do the right thing. Work for the nation. Our first duty is to our country. We must work hard to make India clean, strong, and developed. Respect discipline and law, A strong nation needs strong laws and disciplined citizens. Value education and character. Education makes us powerful, but good character makes us great. A call to action, friends. Let us not forget the sacrifices of Sardar Patel and other freedom fighters. They gave us freedom, now it is our turn to protect and grow our nation. Let us take a pledge today to stay united as one India, to respect our constitution and laws, to help others and be kind, to fight against corruption and injustice, to make India a land of peace, progress, and pride. Let us keep Sardar Patel's spirit alive in our actions. Let every young Indian become a soldier of unity and duty. In the words of Sardar Patel, manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Let us join hands to create that power. Together, let's build the India of his dreams. Thank you. My dear